Hi, everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend. This is your market snapshot for July 14th, 2024. So looking last week, this is a 5-day, 15-minute chart comparison of the SPY, QQQ, and IWM. And IWM is kind of in this pinkish color here. And IWM finished up 6.5% last week, roughly. And I think this is actually the best week that the IWM has had since probably October of 2023. So it had a really great week here. Basically on Thursday, it just kind of shot up here, whereas the SPY and QQQ actually went down quite a bit, like over 1%, I want to say, in SPY. And this was basically just kind of a rotation into out of the large cap stuff and into the small cap stuff. Just kind of a rotation. Here's what happened. And then Friday, it looks like money kind of flowed back into the SPY and QQQ a little bit. The IWM still gained a little. Basically we closed here on Thursday, closed here on Friday. But at the end of the week, the SPY was up roughly 1%. And we'll just say the QQQ was pretty much flat, down 0.09%. So next we have a comparison chart of the SPY and the RSP. SPY, as you know, is roughly a market cap weighted index. So the largest market caps carry the most weight to them. And so primarily about 5 or 10 stocks is kind of what moves the market here in the SPY. I want to say like the top 10 stocks are actually like 30% of the SPY. The RSP, on the other hand, is the same group of stocks, but they're all equal weighted. So your top stocks don't carry as much weight. It's just equal weighted, like what I said there. And if we want to look at a comparison chart between those two, we can see on Thursday the RSP, which is equal weighted, actually went up a pretty good amount here, whereas the SPY went down. And then on Friday, basically they both went up, which just means that your top stocks were kind of present in this rally right here on Friday. As far as news stories, you have the Fed speaking on Monday. Really looks like about every day this week, so you need to watch out for that. Even though these are listed as low, sometimes these speakers can move the market or spook the market, so you need to be careful of that. Unemployment on Thursday, so that's kind of a big one. And something else to look at next week is earnings season starts up next week. And I have a number of popular scans that actually take advantage of this earnings season. You can actually look at some of my older videos for that. But earnings season is always a good time to sell cash secured puts, especially after those earnings announcements. And like I say, I've got some older videos on showing how I trade those. It's pretty an easy and somewhat safe setup, I would say. And so we'll go ahead and look at a few cash secured put candidates. This is actually going to be 2% out of the money, 5 days to expiration. So this will be Friday's expiration. And this is just a list of some ETFs that we have here. And then this is what I like to call the weeklies, which these are the S&P 500 stocks that offer a weekly options expiration. We're also 2% out of the money here, July 19th expiration, so 5 days out as well. And I'll scroll down here. Once again, this is in alphabetical order right here. We have the earnings date listed right here. So this shows 4 days away, 7/18. So that's actually going to be, I think, Thursday. We have the delta of the option listed. We have the strike price of the put shown we're 2% out of the money. We have the annualized return. And then we have the actual return on the actual trade right here. Also have the RSI of the stock listed right here. Basically below 30 is considered to be oversold. Above 70 is considered to be overbought. I have the IV percentile right here. So anything that has a really high IV percentile basically just means most likely earnings is coming up very soon, because it normally climbs very high or gets close to that 80 to 90% range right when we get up to earnings. Sometimes this will be sitting like at 99 or 100 then. So that's all I have for this week. So thanks for watching. Have a great day and bye.